Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, I'm going to teach you a hack of how to improve the sound quality of a Bluetooth speaker. If you've been watching my channel, you'll know that some speakers are way better than others depending on how much money you spend on them. And I have three examples right here. This one is the worst, this one's kind of in the middle, and this one's the best. This one's a Sony SRS XB33. So it's $130 and it's the best. So I do have a hack where you can improve significantly the sound quality of a speaker, basically going from this to this. You cannot go from this to that. You just have to spend the money, but you can raise it up one notch, going from bad to decent. To do that, you have to change the files. So whatever files you're listening to, you have to go into a software and change the bass and go into the settings of that software. So I'm gonna get my friend Bob to help me. He's gonna take over and he's gonna teach you how to do that. Are you ready, Bob?
I'm ready.
Okay, perfect.
Hi, I'm Bob. I will be teaching you how to make your audio files sound better on a cheap Bluetooth speaker. This right here is our file that we will modify to sound better. Now, let's open the iMovie app. Click on Create New. And now click on Movie. Move the iMovie window out of the way so we can drag and drop our file into the timeline area. Try again if it doesn't work the first time. There we go. Now, move the file to the beginning of the timeline. Then, click on Noise Reduction and Equalizer. Now click Equalizer and then Bass Boost. Now it's time to export the file. Click on File and select Share. Then select File. Type a name for your file. Now choose Format and select Audio Only. And under File Format, select MP3. Click Next. Now choose a location to save your file. I will choose Desktop. Finally, click Save. Now, iMovie is creating our new and enhanced audio file, which will have enhanced bass. Next, minimize the iMovie window. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. We have our new bass-enhanced file that will sound so much better on cheap Bluetooth speakers. Delete the old file. Now that you have the new and improved audio file, you are ready to share it to your iPhone using the Music app. Okay, let's first plug in our iPhone to our Mac and send our new and improved file to our iPhone. First, open the Music app. Then select your iPhone. Now, drag and drop our new file onto the iPhone playlist. And that's it. Our new file is now on our iPhone. We can now close everything and disconnect our iPhone. Skywind, it's back to you.
Okay, thank you, Bob. So we have reached the end of this video. So please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and have a great day.